My name is Jihyun Lee, and I'm an assistant professor at the University of Calgary in Canada now. I joined this University of Calgary since 2019. Before I joined, I studied at Yonsei University in South Korea and got the bachelor degree there. And then I studied at the University of Michigan in the United States and got master and then PhD degree. After getting the PhD degree, I moved back to Korea and did some research at the Korea Institute of Machinery and Material as a senior researcher. My expertise is in manufacturing mechatronics area. That means that my research mainly focus on robotic machining, sensor, machine tool, and kind of dynamic control and optimization. The project at TUM IAS is inclusion and diversity in the manufacturing in Industry 4.0, which aim to develop the new strategy to promote women in manufacturing area through digital skill. I'm doing the two different things. I mainly listen to the students' opinion, undergraduate students' opinion, master and PhD students' opinion, how they think about their department and also think about their culture, especially the gender. So I prepared two types of questions, two different types of questions. First aspect is related to the Industry 4.0. The recent mechanical engineering face a little bit problem about the less enrollment. Every year, the enrollment of mechanical engineering decrease. That was the first problem. So I tried to find out why and then how to attract female or male mechanical engineer to this field. That was my first topic in this project. Second project is how to improve the culture for female engineer. I observed that there are 50-50% of the female and male pursue higher degree. So for example, undergraduate student, also 50% of the female want to move on to the master degree and also PhD degree like the male. However, when I checked the percentage of the female and male in the bachelor and PhD, the women's ratio dropped. So I was curious why the percentage of the female ratio in the higher degree dropped and also how to remain their ratio for the higher degree. A total of 236 students participated in the survey and they responded. And from that survey, I observed that a lot of students want to get training in the Industry 4.0. However, the department in the School of Engineering and Design provide limited training in the Industry 4.0. So there are a couple of training students want. One is that they need a collaborative project with the industry. And then they need more hands-on experience in Industry 4.0. That's what I observed from their survey. And also from the survey, I listened to male's opinion and female opinion about the gender environment. More than half of the female engineers said have a positive experience in the gender environment for their department. However, they also want their department improve about the gender environment, something like the gender bias, or they also need more role model, more female role model, those kind of things. However, when I listen to the male participant, most of the male participant answered that the culture, gender is perfectly fine. So that's what I observed from the survey. The collaboration with the TUM, the people have been excellent. I really got a lot of support from TUM administrative and also professor and then fellows. My time in TUM was excellent and they're very supportive and it was very helpful for me to conduct my project.